Hi Vendasta partners, Josh here with a quick roadmap update for September 8th, 2023. We make these videos to keep you, your team, and your customers in the loop about all our new updates. Stay on top of it all at roadmap.vendasta.com, where you can even vote on the updates and get instant notifications when they're made available. Your input is always welcome. So, what's next for Vendasta? Let's dive in. Get ready to tap into the pet care market. Later this year, we're adding the option to link Gingr, a top-notch pet care platform, to Vendasta's Business App. This one-click connection will let you offer a powerful integrated experience to your pet service clients. Now picture this. A customer pays for a dog grooming session through Gingr, and instantly, Business App triggers a review request via email or SMS. It's that simple, and it's just the start. Stay tuned for many more Business App integrations coming down the line. The best part, this update is free and will automatically show up in your Business App Connection tab. So, get your team ready to handle any client questions about Gingr. Now let's take a look at some of the progress our teams are making.
Here you'll see a connection card. Just hit add, give your location ID, and hit a save. Just give it a moment, and it does create a new connection and shows that connection happened. Now you can update and remove the connection. This ideally adds or removes the connection from the system as well. So let's quickly update, do a save, and it will show like when you go ahead and try to update, you will see that there will be a new location ID, and finally there will be a remove button to remove the connection altogether. That's it for today. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Small businesses are often too busy to chat live with new leads. Maybe they're busy grooming a poodle, or fixing a car, or shingling a roof. So how do they make sure they're not missing out on new customers? Well, this fall, our Business Apps inbox is rolling out killer new lead capture features. Coming soon to Marketplace is Inbox Pro, a new product from Vendasta. We're adding an integration with Google Business Messages, as well as a Web Chat Widget that can go on any website. An SMB's own AI agent will chat with a website visitor to get their name and mobile number so that the business can hit them back as soon as possible and get that next customer. Inbox Pro will be part of our Business App Pro recommended package, or available to purchase separately. It comes out later this fall and will include SMS messaging functionality. So this means that you should let your team and your clients know that SMS messaging will be moving from our free version of Business App into our new Inbox Pro product later this year. Pricing details will be made available soon, so keep an eye out for more details.
Google Business Messages integration into Inbox is almost complete, which will be a new feature of the upcoming Inbox Pro product. I've enabled the Inbox Pro for an account, which enables some new features. You can see this new card in Inbox settings, which allows a business that's connected its Google profile to enable Google Business Messages as well. Flipping this toggle will kick off a workflow with Google, and after some time passes, a new chat button will appear on a local business's Google Maps listing on mobile. People looking up this business on Google can send a message right from Google Maps or search, and when they do, a new conversation appears inside of Inbox, where the business owner or someone on their team can reply and try to turn that lead into a new customer. We have some final polish in progress, and this will be ready very soon.
Now, what if you have a small business client that wants to market to their customer base? Well, exciting news, an all-new multi-step drip email campaign builder is coming to Business App. Available as a product you can activate from our marketplace, and also part of our recommended Business App Pro experience, your clients can seamlessly build stunning emails with the power of AI, and then send those emails to anyone added as a contact in Business App, including those that were synced over from their integration from a customer management system like Gingr. You can start letting your team know that this is coming very soon, and they can get excited to start selling it. Now, over to the lab for a quick demo.
Hello everyone. I wanted to show some of the features that we've added to the campaigns in Business App and some of the additional things that we can do with the campaigns. So firstly, let's start by creating a campaign which is test an EL, and I create a campaign. Now, after creating a campaign, I have two options to add email steps. First is by creating new email, which I can do using the email builder. I, by default, give a name and save this one. So the email step 1 is going to be added. I can go back, and if you see the email step is added, the second way to add email is to add it from the template. So I click on add existing email. There's an existing email in the template. I click on that, and the email can be previewed here in desktop, tablet, or mobile form, and I can select one, and that email steps get added. Now this email is in the draft stage, so let's go back to see one of the emails that's already been created. So now I go to a test campaign which already has been published, and now you can also see the campaign level stats on top. This email has not gone out to any recipient. That's why you see these numbers as 0. Also, when you click on this email right now, you would see that the drawer would open a lot faster. I'll click on it to show again. I just click on the email and it opens up a lot faster. And now you can see the email engagement level stats too, which is the link activity stats. And when you click on view email activity, you can see how many users have clicked on each of the links inside an emails. So yeah, we have campaigns almost ready to be released in the business app. Thank you.
Be prepared to elevate your CRM experience all under one roof, Vendasta's Partner Center. Say goodbye to toggling between Sales Center and Partner Center, because soon a unified, streamlined dashboard will have all the tools you need in one place. Scheduled to launch later this year, this upgrade isn't just a facelift. If you're already a fan of Sales and Success Center, you're going to be thrilled with the enhanced features and flexibility that Partner Center offers. Best of all, this update comes at no extra cost and will automatically be available to all Partner Center users. Make sure your team is informed, as we'll be transitioning these crucial features from Sales and Success Center to Partner Center. Now, let's dive into what we've achieved this week as we progress towards this significant rollout. Keep in mind, this is work in progress.
And here's a few improvements that we have added to the CRM experience. Here I'm in the company page. You can now see that it warped the columns if they become too long. And if you have a lot of columns, the name and the action column will remain sticky, so they're always visible. And now you can invite contact the business app in the profile page. Simply click invite the business app, and the contact will now have access to the company's business app. Also, if the company has a corresponding account, now you will see a view account button, which will take you to the corresponding account details page. We have also added controlled access to the CRM page based on your permission. User will now only see the company and contact button if they have permission to manage company and contact. If not, they won't see the button, and will see a permission special instead if they attempt to view the page. In the next sprint, the team will begin syncing activities from SSC and work on a couple CRM improvements. For Snapcats, the team continued the work to support opportunities in the CRM. We have added a route to the opportunities in Partner Center, similar to SSC. So now if you're interested in seeing the opportunities from a link that's been shared to you, or through the pipeline report inside the Partner Center, you can do so. Next, when you now go to the company profile page, you will see the associated opportunities, sorted by the last activity date. Clicking on them, you'll be able to view the details and edit the opportunities. On Snapshot, you can now create snapshot report from the company table. After creating, technology data is now captured on the company table as well. So our partner salesperson can now filter on things like who is not using Google Analytics and start selling them. In the next sprint, we'll wrap up the work to support opportunities in the new CRM. And that's it for CRM and Snapshot this week. We'll hand it over to the next team.
Vendasta's automations let you build workflows of highly customizable triggers to add a whole new level of ease to your daily operations. And our team has been hard at work making it even easier to get started. Our upcoming template library is a free update that will be automatically on for your users of Partner Center, so be sure to give them a heads up. Here's a quick demo of the progress we've made towards this release.
I want to show some of the updates that we have done based on the feedback that we got. So I click on create automation and I select use template to start creating my automation. When you come to this new template page, you might have seen in our sprint review, we had made this new designs based on the feedback. Also, when you go on each template card, you would see that shadow showing up the selection. And when I click on any of these template cards, it opens up with the preview can scroll down to see the whole automation. And also, you can see the description of the template or template of this automation on the left-hand side, and also the tags for this automation. Thank you.
Our billing team is on a mission to simplify the ordering workflow in the platform, and we have a small but mighty upcoming update to share. When you order products, there's a billing info section where you confirm billing details, and it's confusing, so we're fixing it. If you have any users of Partner Center at your business that order products or services for your clients, then you'll want to let them know about this upcoming workflow change. Here's a quick demo.
So this is what we have on the confirmation page. At least this is what we used to have. And partners would see the billing info section and would think that this was a section for them to enter their client's account details or payment details. And when they do this, the client's credit card gets charged for the wholesale billing. So we have now collapsed this page, and now we have something that kind of hides it and provides a little bit of context, wholesale billing info. And then if you open it down, and then we give you that section if they want to update their billing details or anything, but it's permanently hidden here, and then they can click on purchase. So we hope this will reduce the instances of partners entering their own clients' payment details and then getting them billed for the wholesale subscription. Thank you.
Do you add products to Vendor Center? Soon you'll be able to do just that with SAML markup. SAML is a markup language that enables people to access multiple web applications using one set of login credentials, so it's great for connecting software products together. This is a free update coming to Vendor Center. Let's take a look at the demo.
I will now walk you through the Vendor Center. And over here, I have selected a product not configured for SAML. The drop-down now shows SAML as one of the access type that can be configured for a product in the Vendor Center. Now, clicking the Create New SAML Config will create a new configuration for SAML for this particular product. And if we hover down in the IDP metadata tab, we now have the SSO certificate section, which basically displays the SSO certificate associated with this SAML configuration. And the user now also has the ability to regenerate the certificate in case of the certificate expires or they want a new certificate. Moving on to the service provider details tab, we have now the start URL and the logout URL. Over here, the users can now get the details for the start URL or logout URL configured in this SAML service provider config for this product, and they can also update the same from this UI. And if I go to the developer center in the documentation page, you can see now we have Skim API as a separate section, or we have Skim as a separate section.
Here are some quick upcoming improvements to our ordering system that you and your team can look forward to.
Up next, we'll be updating the item selector component to return all of these items in one list. We also want to make sure that product dependencies work the same no matter who's creating an order. If I want marketing services to build a website for me, we need to ensure that website hosting is already active for this account. If it's not, we should add it to the order automatically. This needs to be generalized so it happens no matter how an order is placed.
Well, that wraps up our roadmap update for September 8th, 2023. From Gingr Integration to Inbox Pro and much more, we've got a lot coming your way. Make sure you let your team and clients know about what's coming next. To stay in the loop, visit roadmap.vendasta.com. We'll see you next time, and as always, happy selling.